In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to share YouTube video in Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open YouTube in your browser and copy the URL from the address bar. Now, go back to Telegram desktop and select the chat where you want to share the video. This can be a private conversation, a group, or another chat where you have permission to send messages. Click inside the message box at the bottom of the Telegram window and paste the YouTube link. Telegram may automatically generate a preview of the video. The preview can include the video thumbnail, title, and other information from YouTube. If you want to add a message along with the video, type your text before sending it. Once everything looks good, press Enter or click the Send button. The YouTube link will now appear in your Telegram conversation.
There's also another way to share a YouTube video if you already have the video link. Instead of opening YouTube and copying the link again, you can simply paste the existing link directly into Telegram. After pasting it into the message box, wait a moment for Telegram to generate the preview if one is available. Then send the message. It's fast, keeps your chat organized, and ensures everyone sees the important parts immediately. If this video helped you improve your Telegram workflow, hit the like button. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.